Hello, my name is Teacher Afiq, and today we'll be talking about this. The one in my hand is called My First Busy Book, Match and Sort Edition. Okay, so what are busy books? Busy books is an interactive book that your child can play and finish all the tasks that are inside the books. So you're asking me, what are the benefits of the busy book? Well, the first benefit is that it helps introduce your child with books. This one may not look like books, but there are some that look like a book. So you can help introduce your child with this kind of activity. A book is very fun. They can open. They have a lot of things inside of the books. Okay, so the next one, it can increase your child problem solving skill. Because after this, we're going to show you what are the things usually inside the busy books, so that you can see that by doing this kind of activity with your child can think to themselves, this is the activity that I want to do, how I can solve this activity. So the next one is the most benefits one, I think, for parents, is that parents can choose the activity that they wanted to be in the activity books, because there's some activity busy books that are sold outside for free that you could take, you could buy it for yourself, or you could just choose the activity online, or you could just make it on your own. Okay, now let's see some of the examples that the busy book that we have here in Tadikan and Intellect. Let's see.